all of you. Here, see this one here. What is the last thing printed when the following code is run? Whenever you are running this code, what is output you will get here? The last one. Number equals to 0. Initially, the number value is 0. After that, while number is less than or equals to 10, 0 is less than or equals to 10. The condition is true. Whenever the condition is true, the body will be executed. What the body contains, the print number colon number means you will get the answer like this one. Number colon. What is the number value? 0 is printed. After that, number equals number plus 1. What is the current number value? 0. Now this value becomes as 1. Again go to the condition. Number is less than or equals to 10. 1 is less than or equals to 10. The condition is true. Again the body will be executed. Print number colon number means number colon number. What is the number value? 1. The 1 will be displayed. After that, number equals number plus 1. Now the number value will incremented. The value becomes as 2. Again go to the condition. 2 is less than or equals to 10. The condition is true. Whenever the condition is true, the body will execute it. Print number colon number. Number colon number. What is the number value? 2 is printed. Number equals number plus 1. 2 plus 1. The value becomes as 3. If you observe this code here, you have to repeat this loop until and unless the value becomes as 9 and 10. Assume here the number value is 10. Assume we are going to apply this one here. Number is 0, number is 1, number is 2, number is 3, number is 4, number is 5, number is 6, 7, 8, 9, up to this one. This is the 10 here. Assume the number is 10 here. 10 is less than or equals to 10. The condition is true. Whenever the condition is true, the body will execute it. Print number colon number means number colon number means number colon 10 will be displayed. After that, number equals number plus 1. What is number value? 10. Now this value becomes as 11. 11 is less than or equals to 10. The condition is false. When the condition is false, outside this loop here means for this one, what is the last thing printed when the following code is run? What is the last thing here? Number colon 10. That is answer. Means option A is the answer. Option A is the answer. Next, come this one here. What will the following code print? Counter equals to 1. The counter value is the 1. After that, they give the sum value as the 0. While counter is less than or equals to 6. What is the current counter value? 1. 1 is less than or equals to 6. The condition is true. Whenever the condition is true, the body will be executed. What this body contains? The sum equals to sum plus counter. What is sum value? 0. What is the counter value? 1. 0 plus 1. 1. After that, counter equals to counter plus 2. What is the counter value? 1. 1 plus 2. The value becomes as 3. After that, go to the condition. Counter is less than or equals to 6. What is the print counter value? 3. 3 is less than or equals to 6. The condition is true. Whenever the condition is true, the body will be executed. Sum equals to sum plus counter. What is sum value? 1. What is the counter value? 3. 1 plus 3. The value becomes as 4. After that, counter equals to counter plus 2. What is the counter value? 3. 3 plus 2, 5. After that, check this condition. Counter is less than or equals to 6. What is the present counter value? The present counter value is the 5 here. The present counter value is the 5. 5 is less than or equals to 6. The condition is true. The condition is true. Again, the body will be executed. Sum equals to sum plus counter. 4 plus 5, 9. After that, counter equals to counter plus 2. 5 plus 2, 7. After that, again go to the condition. 7 is less than or equals to 6. The condition is true. Whenever the condition is true, the body will be, here the 7 is less than or equals to 6. The condition is false. Whenever the condition is false, outside of this while loop here. Print the sum value. What is the current sum value? 9. 9 is answer. 9 becomes as the answer. 9 becomes as the answer. Right. Next is this one. Number equals to 5. The number value is the 5. While number is less than or equals to 5. What is n value? 5. 5 is less than or equals to 5. 5 is less than or equals to 5. The condition is true. Whenever the condition is true, the body will be executed. Here the body contains the if number is less than 5. 5 is less than 5. False. This will not be executed. Print the number. What is the number value? 5. The 5 is printed. After that, again go to the condition. What is the condition? Number is less than or equals to 5. What is the number value? 5. 5 is less than or equals to 5. The condition is again true. Again the body will be executed. If number is less than 5, what is the number value? 5. 5 is less than 5. The condition is false. This will not be executed. Print the number value. What is the number value? 5. The 5 will be printed. After that, go to the condition. Number is less than or equals to 5. 5 is less than or equals to 5. The condition is true. Whenever condition is true, the body will be executed. If number less than 5, 5 is less than 5, the condition is false. This will not be executed. Print the number value 5. Means the 5 is printed infinite number of times. Why? Because there is no chance to execute this code here. There is no chance to execute this code here. The number value is incremented, then the loop will fail. But there is no chance to execute this code here. Means here the first or correct one. The program will loop indefinitely. Means we are going to the infinite loop. Right. Let's see this one. What does the range function will return? Okay. Here, if we are having the range function, what it returns here? If always the range function returning the an iterator object here. Why? Because always the data can be repeated here. Zero. If I am asking the range of 5, it is providing the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is just like the iteration. Means it is providing the an iterator object. Which are the following is the correct syntax for the for loop? Okay, if I'm taking the for loop here, always the for loop syntax is like this one. For var in sequence. For var in sequence, there is a statement body. var is not the variable name. For I in range of 0 comma 10. This is the correct one. This will not be accepted. This is in the, like the C language. This will not be accepted. Only the option B is the correct one. What will be the output for the following code? For I in range of 3, print the I value. Whenever there is a range of 3, what it generates? It generates a 0, 1 and 2. 0, 1 and 2. Option C. Right, see this one. What will be the output of the following code? X equals to 1, 2, 3. For I in X, I equals to I plus 1. In this point of view, I takes the first value, I plus equals to 1. What is I value? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. The I value is incremented, the value becomes as 2. Next, take the I value, 2. I plus equals to 1. 2 plus 1, the value becomes as 3. After that, I takes the next value. Now the I value becomes as 3. I plus equals to 1. 3 plus 1, 4. If you observe this one here, the I is taking just taking the values only. Even though you are adding the any data, that will not affect the corresponding list here. Why? Because just I will take the first value, second value, third value. Whenever you are adding the any value or whenever you are subtracting any value, that will not affect the above data here. Print X is nothing but just you will get the answer as a option A 1, 2, 3. That is answer for this program. Mean the list cannot be affected here.